We've just acquired this Volkswagen Scirocco. Absolutely fantastic condition. It's full service history. It's had the cam belt and water pump done as well. Looks stunning, very individual. It's got the gloss black alloy wheels. It's got the roofing black as well. You see, it's got an upgrade on the exhaust. We've got quad exhaust on this one. See, the tyres are all in absolutely superb condition as well. Boot area's been well looked after. So the rear windscreen wipe delete there. Interior's in excellent condition. It's an 82,643 miles. You see all the warning lights come on and go off as they should. Half a tank of diesel in this one. Got factory satellite navigation, which is an upgrade. We've got Bluetooth for media. Traffic updates. Air conditioning. 6-speed gearbox. In here we've got your media, multifunction steering wheel, auto headlights, electric windows and mirrors obviously in this car. Sounds lovely. At DJH we offer full dealer facilities including finance and warranty packages and part exchange. If you require any further information, give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.